Jack was a 19-year-old boy living in a quiet countryside village, surrounded by open fields and long, dusty paths. Life there moved slowly, too slowly. From the outside, everything looked calm. But inside Jack, there was a constant heaviness. Every morning, sunlight filled the village. Yet Jack woke up feeling drained. He slept longer than most people. Still, his body felt weak. His mind felt tired. His friends were moving forward, learning skills, chasing goals, waking up with purpose. Jack, however, felt frozen in the same place. Villagers often whispered, "Jack is kind, but he always seems lost." And deep down, Jack knew they were right. One afternoon, after another exhausting day, Jack sat beneath an old banyan tree at the edge of the village. He stared at the dry soil below him and quietly asked himself, "Why do I feel tired all the time? Why do others wake up alive and I do?" Footsteps interrupted his thoughts. An elderly man with silver hair and peaceful eyes stood nearby. People called him Elder Sam, a man known for wisdom and silence. He looked at Jack and said calmly, "Your body is young, but your mind carries a very old weight." Jack looked up, surprised. "How can you know that?" The old man sat beside him and replied, "A tired mind speaks even when the mouth stays silent." Something shifted inside Jack. For the first time, he felt understood. Jack took a deep breath and said, "I sleep a lot, but I wake up exhausted. I want energy, I want change. But something inside me holds me back." The old man smiled gently. "You believe sleep creates energy," he said. "But your problem isn't your body. It's your mind." Jack listened closely. "Your mind never rests," the old man continued. "It carries fear, comparison, pressure, noise, and confusion all day, every day." He drew a small circle in the dirt. "This is your mind. You keep filling it, but you never empty it. A full mind cannot rest. And a mind that can't rest will always feel tired, no matter how long you sleep." Jack asked quietly, "Then how do I rest my mind?" The old man looked up at the sky. "Every night before sleeping, give yourself 5 minutes. No phone, no noise, just honesty. Write down 3 things," he said. "What you felt today. What you learned today. What you will improve tomorrow." Jack hesitated. "Is this really enough to change me?" The old man smiled. "This is not magic. This is awareness. When thoughts leave your mind and enter paper, your mind becomes lighter. When your mind becomes lighter, your sleep becomes deeper. When your sleep becomes deeper, you need less of it. And when you need less sleep, you wake up strong." That night, Jack returned home and followed the advice. Sitting on the floor of his small room, he opened an old notebook and wrote, "I felt confused today. I learned that peace starts in the mind. Tomorrow I will try again." He closed the notebook. Something felt different. His breathing slowed. His chest felt lighter. For the first time in months, Jack slept peacefully. Before sunrise, Jack opened his eyes. He felt fresh, clear, alive. It shocked him. Over the next few days, he repeated the habit. Each night, honesty. Each morning, more energy. His walk became confident. His face looked brighter. His mind felt free. People began asking, "What changed Jack? Why does he look so full of life?" Jack simply smiled and said, "I learned how to clear my mind." Weeks later, Jack returned to the banyan tree to thank the old man. He wasn't there. Some said he had moved on. Others said he only appeared when someone truly needed guidance. But Jack knew one thing. That simple habit reshaped his life. He slept less. He lived more. Because when you free your mind at night, your mornings become the start of a new life. And if something inside you felt awake today, remember, every video here is made for the version of you you're becoming.